Welcome to another tutorial with Bee. Today we're going to explore the world of email templates. So you can reuse it every month for your newsletter. So let's go into email templates. So we're on the homepage of Mailchimp and we go into create templates. And then you get like a few layouts here that you can use. I like to use this one, but you feel free to do whatever you like to do. So then Mailchimp kind of gives you a template already, as obviously suggested before. Logo comes straight with it. I don't like to use this one here because if you go back, like if you start typing and you're not very experienced, you all of a sudden may have like everything in one large font, which is not so cool because this is basically the title. So let's remove this and we're gonna create one. I like to do at the beginning like a greeting, like an intro, hi, and then we just write something. And then we put a divider in. And then we go into create a title now, but we make it separate. So let's call this blog, and we make heading 1. And then we go into put like a text block below, and then you can insert your blog there. So then we duplicate the divider and move that down here, and we can duplicate the heading 2. So the reason why I created them separately so that you don't have that problem that you merge the font together. So let's call this one here recipes, for example, and now we can create something with an image and a text together. So you can have one here, or you go into settings and you create 2. You can change them to the left, right, bottom, whatever you like to do. I like the layout of it as it is. And then I go into settings here, 2. So I go into the first image here and I pick an image. So you can also go down here and go and view more than just a 25. So yeah, now we go and pick this one, and we pick this one maybe, and you can see it's a different size, so therefore we go into column 2 and we edit the size so it's all one size. So we go into the square, and now you will see we go in here and it will be the same size. It's obviously it's a white background, so it's not you know, it's not maybe ideal, but I think you get the gist of it. So now I will do the same as I did before with the heading. So I will make this a heading. So let's call it strawberry jam, and we go into styles, and I think heading 3 might be perfect. I think that looks good. It's not as large as heading 1 up here. So we go into column 2 and we call this milk rice. I don't know, just coming up with something. So heading 3 again, and now we do the text. We move that down here, and also here you get the option to have 2 columns. So there you go, and then you can write your recipe in here and insert links or a button at the bottom, but you can only do insert one button. So it works better, for example, up here. So therefore I often just insert like a click here to see the full recipe or so. But just to show you, and you can obviously change the color for this too. So you go into settings, style, and then the background, and you can insert your color code here. Yeah, and that's basically it. So for me, for example, here, my color, whoops. Here you go, and then you can also change it to full width or to small width. But yeah, that's it. Save and close, save and exit. We call it test and save. And obviously with a button you can change the name. I'm just doing the quick version here, so you're on speed. If you have any questions, just ask me. So there you go. And then yeah, that's it. So your template is created and you can reuse it anytime. So I hope this helps.